Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel Adobe Acrobat subscription. So let's get into the video. The first thing is that you simply need to open your Adobe. Once you're there, you click on your profile. After which, you simply click on what? Manage my account. So it is going to redirect you to your account. So once you're here, you simply need to click on Manage Plan. So after which, you simply click on what? Cancel your free trial. Okay, after that, you simply click on what? Continue with Google. You choose the Google account. So after that, you simply need to leave the reason in which you want to cancel your account. That is, you need to give the reason why you are canceling your account. So once you check out the reasons, you simply need to what? To click on what? To continue. Okay, no thanks. So you make sure you read this out. So after that, you click on what? Continue. Okay, thanks. After that, you simply need to confirm your cancellation. So guys, we just successfully canceled our Adobe. So that's actually the way you cancel your Adobe Acrobat Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.